2, 1, go!
And for qualification 142 here in the Ochoa division, the robots are off for their autonomous period. You can see here on the Blue Alliance, we have 2-1-3-1-1, Lion Robotics Gold, quickly scoring 3 samples in that high basket. Ooh, almost 4, however, did fall out of the field, unfortunately. Here on the Red Alliance, we have 1-8-4-4-2, that's gear rotation, placing 3, now 4 specimens on that high chamber with their alliance partner, batteries not included, scoring what currently looks like 3 into that high basket.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Moving into the driver control period, you can see that Red has what looks like a 16-point lead. However, with 2 minutes, that is still plenty of time for the Blue Alliance to pull ahead here. Over here, we have 2-1-3-1-1, your Lion Robotics Gold, scoring into that high basket further, trying to get that as full as possible throughout the match. Meanwhile, their rival, Gear Rotation, attempting to get those samples and bring them into their human player observation zone to have those built into specimens. Looking over at the Red Alliance partner, batteries not included, you can see that there are currently 4 samples in that high basket. One strategy note that I'm noticing is that the batteries not included are mainly only going for yellow samples to put in that high basket, as those samples can't be used for the high chamber. Looking over at the Blue Alliance, we can see that Lion Robotics Gold still placing samples in that high basket, while their alliance partner, the Disrupting Robocephalic Brainstem Robotics team, taking those samples from the submersible and placing them into their alliance observation zone, and taking now those specimens and hanging them onto that high basket. Looks like they have 6 left in that high chamber ready to go, which should give them a healthy amount of points, maybe just enough to get ahead of the Red Alliance. Roughly 30 seconds left as we approach into our end game period. Let's see how that affects with the hanging. Right now, quite a close match, still 16 off in favor of the Blue Alliance now, pulling ahead of the Red Alliance. You can see it's a race to see how many specimens they can get onto that high chamber and who can hang faster and higher with 15 seconds remaining on the clock. 2-1-3-1-1, unfortunately knocking a few samples out of their overflowing high basket with 10 seconds remaining. With 5 seconds, count it down with me. 3, 2, 1. Closing out of match 142, you can see that we have and it now goes to the Blue Alliance with a score of 349 to 345.